Proseguiamo con gli ospiti.
We'll continue with our guests from EMA Web TV. We have Enrico Bulian from PFN, Precision Farming Network, here with us. We're talking about digital transformation in the agri-food industry. Over to you. You are the expert. Well, first of all, Precision Farming Network was born out of the need to combine digital services to agricultural equipment. It's a network. Alpego, Caffini, Dalcero and Mascara have adhered to this network. They have a common vision, that is that the machines have to become increasingly interconnected for digital transformation in the agri-food industry. And actually, the food industry has made tremendous steps forward in digitalization because of the need on the part of the consumer to be increasingly informed about product traceability. However, they have to fill a gap from the raw materials to the field, and from the raw materials to the table. You know, everything is traceable in the food industry, and the consumer can have this information. But traceability from the field, from the raw material to the field, is a gap that has to be filled. And then, you know, we have the Farm to Fork European policy, which aims at reducing the use of fertilizers and pesticides by 2030 in a dramatic way. Well, whether you like this policy or not, or whether you agree with it or not, it is true that we have to look at reality. We have to face reality and how the world is changing. Climate change, the pandemic, the wars have led to a situation where, you know, the arable land is less and less, water is a scarce resource, and the cost of nutrients are on the increase. Nevertheless, farmers have to produce better and more using less. We want to provide solutions to farmers, first of all, to be able to provide the supply chains the possibility to trace back from the raw materials to the field, and also to really optimize the use of resources. We also thought to make this digital transition easier for farmers. At EMA here today, you can see many initiatives undertaken by individual manufacturers, implement manufacturers, tractor manufacturers, software or hardware manufacturers presenting their own solutions. But if they had chosen their own solution, it would be difficult for the farmers to choose. And think of the food chain. They should collect data from 4 different sources. You know, it's a country where we are in a country where we already have a lot of red tape, so we don't need more. We wanted to find a solution to avoid technology fragmentation and standardizing the process. The risk is, if you like, that it is difficult for the farmer to find their way in a world of possible solutions, and also it's difficult for us to aggregate data. And then there's another problem, certainty and certification of data. We see so many solutions where data were put in the blockchain, a chain that cannot be changed along the way, but you have to start from certain certifiable data. So within Precision Farming Network, we're also working at a process of certification. Of course, we're open to other companies that produce agricultural equipment, and Alpego, Caffini, DCM and Mascara here at the fair for the first time show a digital twin. So they have combined a package of specially designed functions to their machines They are released through a code which is given to the buyers of their equipment, and within the X-Farm platform, specific tracing functions are activated. So EMA could be a good way to combine efforts. Yes, the project is open to other companies which, instead of rediscovering hot water, can find it easier to exploit our solutions. We have found devices that connect the different pieces of equipment, transfer data to this platform and also others, and we're also devoting ourselves to certifying this process. So you're all welcome if you like to join us. Enrico, there was no need to ask additional questions because you have explained what you do and what you intend to do, and also sent out an invitation to extending the network. Thank you very much. Thank you.